In this video, I will show you how to simply enable or show participant name each time you are entering your Zoom meeting without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Zoom app. Click on these three dots from the top. Click on Meet with Personal ID. Proceed to Start Meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Meeting. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Start.